Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hope Mujuzi bringing you your best makeup. So today we're going to be learning how to do the eyeshadow for beginners, and we're going to be using nude shades as you could see in the thumbnail. So I got that from a pad.
Wow.
Those pad covers, because it kind of helps you shape your eyebrow and you don't want like grow out straight. Yeah, so try to move in a circular motion in case you're applying the out surface makeup. It helps you when you are applying the concealer later on the inner eye. So as you can see, we are kind of moving so fast. I am looking gorgeous. Don't forget to subscribe. So just keep tapping on the screen. Do not forget you can use your finger, but try. Wow. So that technique is for only small eyed people. If you have small eyes, like your eyeshadow is not going to be seen by anyone when you open your eyes. You know, they told us that you have to use the eyeball, but for someone with a small eye, you can't use the eyeball because it won't be visible. So after applying the concealer, kind of confused. After applying the concealer, you're going to go on and put the eyeshadow. So we're going to go with the light shade, with the white shade, because it helps me give the base. You just keep tapping on top. You keep tapping, like tapping till it gives that look of the eyeshadow. Yeah, so that's me cleaning my face after apply. You know guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, like. So yeah, that's me. I don't have like the setting powder, so I was kind of using I was using eyeshadow to do that. Yeah. So, but it was also working. It worked perfectly well because, like, why not? So that's me putting the bronze, and still I used eyeshadow. I do not have. Wow. I used eyeshadow, and it looked perfect. It just looked nice. I like the way it came out. So we have to remove those harsh linings, but in the thumbnail it had the harsh linings, like that's how it was. Just cause me, I wanted it to be like I wanted it to like blend in so it can look nice, it can look neutral. Yeah, so that's me trying some hack I saw on the shorts, and it gave me vibes of if you do a mistake you have to remove it and do again and do again. So that's me. I removed that one. Even that's what I'm doing, I removed it because that's not how I normally draw my wing. I want it to be like sharp. If I want to cut someone, I would just simply cut. Yeah. So this one was kind of perfect. I don't know why, but for it was kind of perfect. Guys, subscribe. You can't be watching my content and you're not subscribing. Subscribe. Look at you. Anyway, that one was kind of fun because I don't know how to say it, but if you're applying the wings, you should learn to avoid over tapping into the ink. And then if you're tapped into the ink, start from the bottom base of the eye. Yeah. So that's me done with. So I'm going to put that's the eye. That's the, what is it called? Jesus Christ. Glue, super glue, not super glue. It's the eye glue. I don't know what it's called. Actually, it doesn't smell even good. And you can get it on $50. not even more than $1. So that's me applying. It didn't go well. That one just refused to get stuck onto the skin, so I had to add on some more glue. The glue, I had to dip it into something small. You can use a toothpick, and after putting it on then I put it on the eye, or in the eye, what is it called, eyelash itself. So as you can see, I'm trying on that makeup look you've seen of the woman. They act so surprised, like, wow. Okay, I didn't like it. From the beginning because it gave me these vibes of dark skin, and I always prefer my lips to be like light. I like my lips light, so that's why I put red. I don't normally like red because it gives these looks of boss lady what, but later on I had no option but to apply some liner because it wasn't giving like the vibes of makeup artist. So I did the liner, and after I was done with the eyeliner, I was done with the whole look, and I was looking all pretty. I had to just spray, and that's the final look. That's how I look. Those are pictures I took, and they looked so nice. You can follow me on Instagram, the art piece. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Mwah!